Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to improve the video quality settings on WhatsApp. To get started, open the WhatsApp app and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From there, go to Settings. Next, scroll down a little and tap on Storage and Data. Here, you'll find an option called Use Less Data for Calls. If this option is enabled, you'll need to turn it off. Make sure this toggle is switched off because it can affect the quality of your video calls and media sent over WhatsApp. Once it's off, your video quality should improve significantly. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.